Not the bang, the bang, ooh, not the bang, the bang, ooh. Alright, let me stop. If y'all can find a lace, I'll cash up y'all $100. Find the lace. Find the lace. And don't forget to click that like button and comment down below and subscribe. Stiff wear, huh? Stiff. Oh, I like this. Ooh, oopsie. Hey, P. What's that? Vloggy, Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas Day 1. Vlogmas Day 1, y'all. Y'all excited? I'm excited. I've done Vlogmas before, but I've never successfully finished it all the way through. So I think this time I may successfully finish it all the way through, because it is a lot of work. Like, I think the hardest part of that is actually coming up with consistent content for you guys that you guys are actually going to enjoy. But comment down below, tell me what y'all want to see. I got y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post bell notification so that you guys will never miss another video. I think you already know this is not gonna be like a makeup beauty video because your girl's already beat to the gods. But for today's video, we're going to be reviewing this hair that I got y'all another, well, I didn't get y'all, but I got me. But technically y'all, because I'm doing it for y'all, so technically me, y'all, me. I got some new Aliexpress hair. Well, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all like that. It's not new. I actually bought this hair when I bought my birthday hair and when I brought my curly hair. But let me know if y'all feeling this look though. Y'all feeling this look though. I know looking at me like, how you gonna put the wig on? What you gonna do? You got passion twists in your hair. I'm actually gonna take these out. I don't like how they're looking. I've only had them in for 2 weeks. You can see my hair sticking out. It's a whole lot. I'm excited to show you guys what I have for you guys. I know you guys are excited to see it. But we're gonna hop right into this hair because y'all ain't come here to see me talk too much. Y'all came here to watch me get the look. So let's hop straight into the hair. So the company that I got this hair from, I believe it's pronounced The Chic Hair. This is the bag that it came in. It says 100% human hair. It's like yellow. It might look like a lime green on the camera, but it's yellow. This is the bag that it came in. Let me open it for you guys real quick so y'all can see. I got like a bob type hair, so it's in a 10-inch. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I think I got this hair a little too short. I'm not a fan of short hair. Hence my hair that's about to come out. It's only been in for 2 weeks. And for those who know me, y'all know I let my hair ride. Like when it's braid, I leave it in for like a good month or 2. So, but no, not this time. Like it's just not, it's not it. But it came with a wig cap, like in a nudish color, not really my scalp color. And it also came with 3 lashes, y'all. Listen, these lashes look like quality lashes. It don't look like those flimsy thin lashes. These are really thick. So I'll put all the information. You'll see it right here on the screen. I got this hair for $49. It was a straight short human hair in the size, no, in the length 10-inch. It's a 13x4 lace. Let me move back because it's probably gone by now. 13x4 lace. All my wigs are 13x4s. I have to have a 13x4 because I like to put my hair up, or if not a 13x4, at least a 13x4 or a 4 lace, or like at least a 360, like something. Like I just need something where I can put my hair up. I don't know about this one because how am I gonna put my hair up? It's short hair, and like look, I can already tell y'all like the flyaways are gonna be real, y'all. Look at this. The flyaways are going to be real, baby. It looks like it is pre-plucked already. Y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all probably can't see that. It looks thick on camera, but it really isn't. Y'all see that? Like pre-plucked. And it smells weird. I'm definitely gonna wash it and blow dry it before I put it on for you guys. So I'll be right back. And of course I gotta take these braids out first. So let's do that. Ready, set, ready. Alright y'all, so here I am, very natural. Well, of course with the makeup. But it probably took me no more than like 15 to 20 minutes to take that hair out because I used the rubber band and crochet method, y'all. That's the truth. Y'all know I'm not a vet at this lace stuff. This is probably only my 3rd time putting on a lace on camera, so bear with me. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror right here, so hopefully y'all can see me while I'm looking at my mirror. Hold on, y'all. Dang, you think it's gonna swoop my eyebrows off? They're probably gonna take my eyebrows off. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be too short on me. Y'all know I'm pretty tall, and not only that, your girl loves long hair. I prefer long hair on me. I feel like long hair looks better on me. So look, I'm already over here looking like Marilyn Monroe. Not the bang, the bang, ooh, not the bang, the bang, ooh. All right, let me stop. Let's cut this lace. Where's my duck clips? I think I'm gonna start getting other densities besides 150. This one is a 150 density, and I feel like it is not full enough. So I think I'm gonna start getting other densities besides 150. But let me go ahead and cut this lace, y'all. So I have cut my lace. Of course, I cut a little bit of hair with it because don't nobody got a straight hairline. Now it's time to go in with the install. I think I am going to, I don't know if I want to spray or glue. I'm probably going to spray it because I feel like the spray looks way more natural. Oh my gosh, this hair is so short, y'all. I ain't never walk a bob this short. The last time I rocked a bob was in high school, y'all. Was in high school. Got my edge brush. Got my the bee. In my hand, the blow dry. And also, I'm going to put some mousse in the hair, the lot of body, just so that I can straighten it, so it can hold the straightness. I know mostly people use it for curl, but I think it helps a lot with straightening hair too. So, cause these bumps right here, they gotta go. I'm looking like Mary Sue, like Hold on, I have to go plug the blow dryer. Wait, dang, y'all already coming at my neck. I don't want this style to stay for too long, y'all, cause I do got somewhere to go, and I highly doubt that this bob is gonna turn out right enough for me to wear it out in public. I feel an epic fail coming, you know, I feel an epic fail coming, so we're not gonna do too much. This is my method of pressing my lace down. I'm already getting wiggy. Y'all don't feel it? Y'all don't see it? Now, while I'm waiting for my lace, I'm gonna try to do some flat ironing to the back because I really don't like how this looking. Like, it's too bumped for me, y'all, like too curly bumped. Y'all see that? Like too bumped. So I just got this new flat iron because y'all, little Azra I did to my flat iron. He tried to open it up and just pop, broke it. So I got me a new one. I got this from Didi's for $25. It's the digital 2-in-1 precious metals by Almost Famous, whoever they are. But once I opened it, I saw the inside. I was like, oh, so pretty and stuff. And that flat iron cost me like 10-13 bucks. So I was like, this time I need to invest in quality flat iron. I know to y'all quality might be $100-200. Quality to me is $25. That's expensive. Okay, that's expensive for me. I went from 10 to 25, $15 up. That's a good job. I know that I look cute with like a curly bob, but the last curly bob I got was in a 12-inch, which in my mind I kept saying, didn't I get that bob in a 12-inch? And I don't know why I still got this hair in a 10-inch. I should have gotten it in the 12-inch. I don't know why I got it so short. I don't know why, y'all, because I know damn well that I don't like this type of short hair on me. So I'm gonna see if I can give it some like you know, some so that, you know, it could look better, but I can't guarantee that. So I have the Lotta Bali Coconut Show Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. It says it creates soft wraps, define curls, and tames frizz. So it's for all hair types. So if it, you know, creates soft wraps, then I mean it should be good for a straight hairstyle. So, and I might curl, we don't know. This is all I'm using. I'm not gonna use too much because I don't like when it has like that gunky feel to it. Like that feel like it has buildup in product. If y'all can find a lace, I'll cash up y'all $100. Find the lace. Find the lace! So this is what we have so far. I did my baby hairs off camera and I kind of hot comb the top of my head. The bob is flowy all in all, but I kind of want to push back the front a little bit, like right here. Y'all can see like this big piece of flyaway. I can say that's the biggest like con about, you know, this hair are the flyaways. They're serious. But I'm gonna put some light Got To Be Blue here. Then I grab my flat iron. Are you on? Okay, I gotta wait for her to heat up a little bit. But until then, we gonna kind of clean this out. Cause I kind of like to push back when it comes to any hair that I have, like any straight hair. I like when the front is like pushed back, coming like kind of like completely back, y'all. Y'all not feeling it? I'm feeling it. Y'all not You're not feeling it? I'm feeling it. They should switch the song to Not the Bob. Not the Bob. Not the Bob. Whoa. Grab a piece like this and kind of, you know, give it that oomph that I'm looking for. Okay, this is probably a little too much, which I can see it, but it's a little too much, so I'm going to bring it on top of here. Because look at this, y'all. There's, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of flyaways. Y'all see that? So we need to get rid of those. I put some light Got To Be glue on top. I'm gonna go over it with my hot comb. Then, last but not least, we're gonna take some mousse. Alright, so I don't know, y'all. I'm about to style it how I like it for a little bit. And then I'll come back to y'all, okay? Alright, y'all. So this is how I decided to style my hair. I think I look amazing this way. I love styling my hair like this even when I have like box braids and stuff. So this is always like my go-to style, like pushing the two front to the back. I think it looks good. I love the way it's looking. Let me know if you guys love the way it's looking. Let me do a little turn for y'all. So this is the finished touch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. And don't forget to tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend. 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 Won't you tell a friend? Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a. Okay. So they could tell another friend so that friend could come back and watch me. Until next time, peeps. Deuces! And don't forget to click that like button and comment down below and subscribe. Stiff wear, huh? Stiff. Oh, I like this. Ooh, oopsie. Bye.